Hello everybody, welcome to your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Platinum-selling reggae artist Shaggy is making a call for more ghetto youths to attend the Island Music Conference. The Grammy Award-winning artist and executive producer made the call at the second staging of the event currently underway in Kingston.
Still don't see my Garrison artists in my show. I still want to see more of the money when you forget this information for sure. I see a lot of educated artists, or I wouldn't say educated, privileged artists, a lot of artists that are from the uptown community that have that privilege.
Now Shaggy revealed that he is less about legacy and more about departing his knowledge while he's still here.
So as far as legacy, I'm not big on legacy. I'm big on service. You know what I mean? I'm a person was gifted a gift. I have now found myself with a platform. And because I have this platform, I'm still one of the largest platforms within the industry, within the genre. I'm using it to better everybody else that's coming up.
The star-studded event included international R&B superstar Maya, who shared on the real beginnings of working with the Jamaican artists.
Wyclef introduced me to Beanie Man, and I hadn't officially met Beanie when he hopped on one of my songs, but he made that connection for us, Wyclef did. He appeared on my second album, Fear of Flying, on a song called Lie Detector that I posted today. And in exchange for him being on my project, I was on his.
Dancehall top act TVJ, who credits the conference for his mega deal with Warner Music, says it has made a great impact on his career.
IMC Music Conference, it teach you a lot. I just learned a whole heap of things today. So it teach you, and people will come and discover your true talent because I was discovered by Warner Music here.
The conference also saw many industry professionals from across the world, including soca artist Voice, who flew in from Trinidad just for the conference.
I mean, I'm not so much into the dancehall side of things, but the business of it, we still have things that we could relate. There's still a common ground, and I felt like something like this is needed. It is necessary.
Voice added that he will be returning to Jamaica for the carnival season.
Since 2016, my first song, Chase Alive, I've been to Jamaica every single year. So God's been my life. I will continue to be here with the best man, Exodus. Big up yourself.
Now newly crowned platinum-selling artist Spice, who was soaking up the content, spoke to her recent achievements.
To have a platinum song, it seems so surreal. It's been 20 years, so it's a long journey. And it's because of my besties, it's because of my fans, and so it just makes me feel so grateful.
Spice, who has not dropped music in recent times, shared that she is working on a new album.
This is going to be a special one for me, celebrating 25 years in the business, and so I'm taking my time with this one. I want it to be very personal and all about me, my feeling now, you know. So I want to give them some good songs, some happy, fun songs. So the album is coming.
The Island Music Conference, which began on Tuesday, today saw keynote speaker Wyclef Jean with the Island Rock concert featuring African superstar Stonebwoy. It continues at Courtly Auditorium over the weekend. All right, now remember to go out and soak up all the information that is being offered. See it? Good. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.